We just rocked up to Hvar and we're walking to the top of the fortress. All the crew, look at them. How you holding up, lads?
Big.
It's only like a 20-minute walk to the top, but everyone's so burnt out after 3 days of ultra. Apparently it's worth it. They say it's like the most beautiful place. We'll see what we get. Oh, beautiful pic, bro. Beautiful pic. Can we get a selfie?
I would love a selfie with this guy.
Smile. Yeah, it's a video, so we can stop whenever.
Oh, okay.
I like it though.
I'm comfortable with this, man. Like.
That'll do? Alright.
I got no money to get all the honeys. I get all my shit for free because I'm so sweet like a bumblebee. So baby, come with me. I'll show you how a real man's supposed to be. Take you out to eat on the yacht in the sea. Trust me, you're gonna be my baby bee. And if you're lucky, you're gonna see Maddie's D.
What? Why did you have to do that?
It said TEN.
A couple of words you can't say on tour. One is TEN and the other one is MINE.
Red Bull.
You know what that's spelled. I can't say it. Hannah, I forgot to finish the vlog for today.
Okay.
I haven't videoed much at all, but we've had a great day. We saw a lot of things, we did a lot of stuff, and now the day's coming to an end. Well, it's not really coming to an end. There's like a big party happening tonight, but I don't think I'm going to video. So, how was your day?
It was really great.
Where are we?
Hvar.
We're in Hvar. Hvar is actually awesome.
Studying beautiful old people.
Thanks, Anne. Anyway, from the old town. Ciao. Here we go, here we go, here we go.